An AI girlfriend was built in just 30 minutes. She was named Olivia. On day 1, she made $43. By day 5, it was $291. By day 7, $1,142. Today, she chats with over 500 users every week and earns more than $8,000 in monthly recurring revenue. This is one of the most unusual but profitable AI trends right now, AI girlfriends. It may sound strange, but the market is growing fast. Low cost, high emotion, monthly subscriptions. Here's a full breakdown of how one was built, launched, and scaled without any code, audience, or design work. It's not a gimmick. It's a real business. And here's how it works. The platform used is called DesireBots, built specifically for launching AI companions. No development skills required. Just pick a personality, tweak a few settings, and it's live. The character is named, tone is selected, tipping and subscriptions are enabled, and the link can be shared anywhere. Olivia's personality was set to be witty and affectionate. A backstory was added, with tone designed to appeal to emotionally engaged users. The subscription price was set at $9 per month with optional paper message features. Initial traffic came through platforms like Reddit and Twitter. Gamified chats, badges, and rewards helped keep users engaged and coming back. The early results were quick. Within 1 week, revenue crossed the $1,000 mark. Monthly recurring revenue has now reached $8,000 with over 500 active users. This was done without ads or influencer marketing, just niche targeting and smart distribution. People crave connection, not just content. AI girlfriends provide emotionally engaging conversations that feel personal. With recurring subscriptions, one bot with 100 users at $20 each earns $2,000. Scaling to 500 users transforms this into a serious business. The AI relationship economy is just beginning. Digital companions for therapy, entertainment, and companionship are on the rise. Launching one today could be one of the most profitable and low-maintenance AI businesses of the year. Like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more deep dives into the AI economy. More ideas and breakdowns coming next.